There are three moments in your financial life that change everything. Not because of the numbers themselves, because of what those numbers do to your options. Most people never reach the first one. Almost nobody understands what the second one actually means. And the third one? The third one makes work optional. I'm Jay, and today we're talking about the three wealth thresholds, the specific points where your financial reality doesn't just improve, it resets. Whether you're building wealth in the US, the UK, Canada, or Australia, these thresholds work the same way. The vehicles are different, the math is identical. Let's get into it. Threshold 1, the foundation threshold, $10,000. This is the hardest one, not because of the amount. $10,000 is achievable on almost any income. It's hard because at this stage, you are doing 100% of the heavy lifting yourself. Every dollar in that account came directly from your labor. The market isn't helping you yet. Compound interest isn't helping you yet. It's just you building something from nothing. Here's what $10,000 actually buys you, and it's not a number, it's a behavior. It proves you can sustain a system. It means one bad month doesn't send you to a credit card. It means a $1,200 emergency is an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. And if you're in the US, this is the stage where you should be capturing every dollar of your 401k employer match. That is an immediate 100% return on your money, the highest guaranteed return available anywhere in personal finance. In the UK, every pension contribution comes with 20% tax relief added by the government automatically. Whether you're using a SIP or a stocks and shares ISA, that is free money. Take it. Threshold 2. The momentum threshold, $100,000. This is the threshold almost nobody talks about correctly. People treat $100,000 like a finish line. It is not a finish line. It is the point where the math finally starts working for you instead of against you. Here's what happens at $100,000. Assuming a conservative 7% annual return, a portfolio at this level generates roughly $7,000 in growth per year. If you're contributing $500 a month, that's $6,000 in personal contributions annually. For the first time in your wealth-building journey, the market is contributing more than you are. That is not a small shift. That is the moment the engine starts pulling the car instead of you pushing it. There's a concept called coast fire. It's the moment your current investments, left completely untouched, have enough time and compound growth to reach your retirement number without you adding another single dollar. Many people hit coast fire right around this 100K threshold, depending on their age and target retirement income. That doesn't mean you stop contributing. It means the pressure is different now. You are no longer racing against time. Time is working for you. Threshold 3, the autonomy threshold, $1 million. This is the threshold where work becomes optional. Not because you retire on the day you hit it, because the math at this level means your portfolio can generate more in annual growth than most people earn at a full-time job. The framework is called the 4% rule. If you withdraw 4% of your portfolio annually, adjusted for inflation, your money should historically last 30 years or more. On a $1 million portfolio, that's $40,000 per year in passive income. In many parts of the UK and Australia, that number covers a comfortable lifestyle entirely. In the US and Canada, it covers the essentials, with room to supplement through part-time work, rental income, or a side business if you choose. The 4% rule is not a law, it's a tool. And the real buffer against market downturns isn't a rule, it's lifestyle flexibility. Here's how I want you to think about these three thresholds, not as numbers, but as choices they give you. Threshold 1, $10,000, gives you the power to survive a small emergency without going into debt. Threshold 2, $100,000, gives you the power to take a career risk, to walk away from a toxic job, to take a sabbatical without financial collapse. Threshold 3, $1 million, gives you the power to choose how you spend every single day for the rest of your life. That is what wealth building is actually about. Not the numbers, the choices the numbers create. So here's what I want from you right now. Drop a comment below and tell me which threshold you're currently targeting. Are you building toward your first $10,000? Are you pushing through the 100K momentum barrier? Or are you in the long game, building toward full financial autonomy? Tell me where you are. I read every comment, and it helps me make sure this channel keeps delivering exactly what you need. And if this gave you clarity, subscribe, because understanding these thresholds is step one. What comes next is learning exactly how to cross them faster. I'm Jay. Know your threshold, build toward it. I'll see you in the next one.